Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to report a lost Costco Visa card. So if you've lost the Costco Visa card, you'll be able to report it by contacting the Citibank. Citibank is the card issuer, so you'll be able to contact them in order to report for a lost Costco Visa card. You can do so by calling the number on the back of your card, but if you do not know the number on the back of your card, you can simply visit the Citibank website. For that, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in online.citi.com/us/az/contact us. After that, you'll be led to the contact us interface of Citibank. You'll be able to find the options like credit cards, banking, investments and lending. Make sure credit cards option is selected. In the call us section, you'll be able to find various options and numbers over here. Make sure to find the option for general support and servicing for Costco Anywhere Visa or general support and servicing for Costco Anywhere Visa business card. So if your card is business card, you can simply dial this number, or you can simply dial this number that you can see right over here on your screen. Once you call this number, simply tell the Citibank that you've lost your Visa card. Follow through the instructions provided by Citibank to report the card and request a replacement. Once you request a replacement, your old card will be cancelled and you'll be issued a new card. Also, make sure to check for the unauthorized charges, review your account statement for any unfamiliar transactions and report them to Citibank immediately. So you need to be very careful if your card is lost. After the Citibank issues the card for you, the card will be sent to you. Once you receive the replacement card, activate it before using it and you'll be able to use the new replaced card. So that is how you report a lost Costco Visa card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.